Start the carrier vehicle and wait for a minute to fill air tubes. It's not necessary for 4CBM Sweeper has its own air compressor. Check that all the buttons on the control panel are off before starting the auxiliary vehicle. If there is any on, turn it off. Now turn the auxiliary engine ignition switch to first stage and hold it until camera screen turn on and warning lights of heater plug goes off. After the light goes off, turn to switch to second stage and press the starter. Activate automatic mode on touch panel, choose sweeping direction left or right and activate sweeping via pushing start. Follow sweeping by cameras. When sweeping is stopped or paused, press stop button. In order to refill water tank, take out hydrant cap, plug the hose on, open the valve and start filling. After filling completed, close the valve, unplug the hose and take on the hydrant cap. Adjust the water amount by mini valves. Hopper to be lifted up via lift up button on hand control unit. After hopper lifting up, set the safety bar on position. Rear door is open via rear door open button on hand control unit. Water gun located on service cabinet's door. Plug in the gun via quick couplings. Turn rear button to position 2 and use water gun by pressing trigger. Then clean inside hopper, vacuum pipes and filter mesh. All the attachments on vacuumed airway, brushes and brush arm to be cleaned by water gun. Side brush wire length is 25 cm and can be used safely until 12 cm. Used side brush can be changed easily by the unscrewing of 4 bolts on brush flange. If a new brush is installed or existing brush length is down, adjust brush position as up-down with indicated regulators. Valve cover to be pulled until here click in order to activate regulator and then cover to be pushed back to lock the valve. Remove main brush bolts, take out the shaft inside the brush and then load new brush to the shaft. Tight main brush bolts. New brush is installed or existing brush length is down, adjust brush position as up-down with indicated regulators. Valve cover to be pulled until here click in order to activate regulator and then cover to be pushed back to lock the valve. Check the engine oil level daily via dipstick. Fill with ISO 15W40 engine oil until oil level reach the line on dipstick if oil lack observed. Check water cooler level daily via breather cap on radiator. Fill with fluid mixture of 50% antifreeze plus 50% pure water if oil lack observed. Clean air filter with dry air daily. Pull up the air filter housing clips and take out the cartridges, then clean from dust with low pressure dry air. Fill the air oiler with 15W30 engine oil if oil is consumed. Water separator to be drained out periodically by drain valve at the bottom of glass. Follow water and hydraulic oil pressure by the gauges if necessary. Hand pump is used for lift up the hooper if engine or hydraulic pump do not work. Grease up the points shown on plate map or main brush case monthly or every 250 working hours.